I ro sungula endzhaku ku tlula lembe vaseketeri va pfumeleriwa ku ya va ya hlalela ntlangu erivaleni ra mitlangu. Hambi swiritano ku lo pfumeleriwa ntsena magidimbirhi wa vaseketeri estadium xa FNB. Vukona bya vona byi endle ku hambana ngopfu eka Bafana hi nkarhi wa ku tikeriwa ka vona loko va karhi va tlanga. Va kote ku hlula.
Yes, they make a difference when you can play for fans as a player. It's always better than playing for an empty stadium, and certainly when you have the bad moments in the game, and you can count then on the public. It's fantastic for a player. So I hope for the important game in November against Zimbabwe that we can have much more people in the stadium, because it will be a great support for us.
Bafana va kume golo ta asuka lexi xipano xa Ethiopia xi nga lo ti huwisela. Va tsandzekile ku kuma tin'wana tigolo tanihileswi Ethiopia a va khomise ku tika.
When we see our boys, almost all of them they are local players. It's beside the experience. If you remember the first game, when they get 2-3 chances, if they convert one of them, maybe the game will be different. The same thing happened today, but from the first whistle up to the end, they try to fight to change the situation. But despite losing the match, I'm not disappointed. The other thing, we are out of the rest, the World Cup, but we get a lot of experience to play such teams.
Bafana va ta rhela tiko akelana Zimbabwe eka rengo ra vumbirhi ra mitlangu n'hweti leyi taka.